a little bit here. A little bit. Yeah. Try to be on the left side. There's more steps. How is it? Real adventure! Decided to follow the riverbed for today. We'll see where it will go. Probably we will just end up somewhere, nowhere. So it's like this trail is going nowhere. But we'd like to see a little bit more up what's there. This one is not the same place I show you in one of my episodes about the canyon. This one is another canyon, and it's, oh, we got a waterfall in the front, so it's not worse than that one. It's just incredible place with so clear water, so many pools you can swim. Oh, that looks incredible. I'm just thinking about how we're gonna get up there. Nice small waterfall. They managed to get up there. They just even put a pipe down. Okay. Let's check it out. So it's probably somewhere there. There's supposed to be some trail. Our task is to find another way how to get up there, because the canyon doesn't end here. The canyon keeps going up. There is a lot of water coming down, so we will look for the trail around here. As you see here, there's no way. It's actually all slippery and dangerous. Yeah, look, let's look around and try to find it out. Still on a trail. I'm pretty sure we're doing right. Now it looks like going a little bit down. Oh. Yeah. A bit. Have to be careful. Poor tree. Trying to hold on the cliff any possible ways. If no, I will try to find something you can it's a rave actually, that's just sprinkling on her head all of it. That's the place. Go a little bit up. Put the feet over there. Yeah. This one is easy. You want to go me first? Yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm going to check out how deep is it. Whoa! That's a great one! That's where the people collecting the water. What is that? There's a trail. Okay. That was a big tree. Just a little advice for everyone who's filming adventures like this. So first of all, try to not put the camera somewhere in the water. If you're using the waterproof housing, the sound will be shit. But if you're using the, like for example, I'm using the GoPro 8 and it doesn't need housing to film in the water. So if you're walking this, I don't know, places like this, try to not put the camera in the water. If you put the camera in the water, so it's fine, but then just shut up. Because if you will talk, the sound will be just terrible. So then just film and do the comments after you filmed whole scene. And that's Elliot and the waterfall. I'm alright, no problem. I just got like a little small nothing else. All is good, so we will look for the way to get out around it. All right, I managed to get up here. So Elliot is going to follow the same way. Come to this side. Yeah. Don't go in there. That was my mistake. Go over this side because there's like a step. No, don't go a little bit down and then. Put the feet a little bit more down, yeah, that's the first one. And then little by little. Don't go out on that side. Try to be here in the middle. That's probably not the place to. Be careful, can be maybe it's a good place to put a piece where you put it. Just put it more flat. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, huh? All right, that was probably really bad decision to wear the white shirt, but we are happy to get out of that, what is that, crack. We got out of the crack with like climbing and crawling, and oh, that was pretty tough. So it was like 300 meters vertical climb. So we are lucky to be out of this one. So now we are on the main trail we did yesterday, and now it's gonna take around 30-40 minutes, depends how slippery is the trail, to reach our motorbikes. We did another canyon. It was really challenging, especially to get out of it. As long as we were in a canyon, it was super enjoyable. Very beautiful waterfalls, and then that was not that difficult to get up there. But then we found that we cannot get out there, and we have to climb out. So we decided to take a tour through the jungle, through all the spiky bushes, and yeah, we managed to get up to the main trail. Then another 40 minutes and we got down here. All right, thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.